Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial in Revit Global Knowledge. So today we gonna continue for our conceptual design, and I think it's pretty interesting because in our previous video we starting for using our conceptual design, just a basic thing, and today we continue our part 2 to create twin tower in Revit that we're using conceptual design. Okay, so I would like to ask you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe my channel because I make a video like this 4 or 5 a week and we bring more content about Revit. Okay, so let's stick around together for this tutorial. Here I am in Autodesk Revit 2021 student version interface. So we need to go to our family and create our conceptual design first. After that, only we load in to project. If you don't know yet our for conceptual design, you can check link in description for our previous tutorial. We worked through about conceptual design for basic thing. Anyways, let's continue for our topic. I'm going to family here, then starting for new, just like new here, and then finding for English. Here is conceptual mass for folder, just double click, and here of course I need to double click also. Alright, now I am in 3D interface for family's conceptual mass. I need to create levels first. So I'm going to my elevation here, just double click. Then here is my level 1, so I need to create another elevation. You can go to tab here, panel tab here, then here is level, or you just like LL on your keyboard for shortcut. In this case, I just press like this, hit escape a couple of times, then just like for my level 2. And here in my property panel, I can change my elevation height and name. For elevation height, I just put for, let's say, just a quick tutorial. We just put is for 48 meter. And for level 2, we change that to roof. Just hit apply. Now our level 1 and roof is coming properly. We need to go back to our level 1 to create set first. I just double click on my level 1 on floor plan. Then I start to create reference plan. RP on my keyboard for reference plan. Just like this. Then something like this. And here like this for horizontal. Hit escape a couple times. Then I just select my reference horizontal here. Then on my keyboard for mirror. I just mirror from this one I need to delete first because I have an adjustment for my spacing. This one I just select here for my horizontal reference plan. I change it to 5 meter. And my vertical also just click here, then change to 5 meter. It's time to mirror. I just select here one, then on my keyboard for mirror, and my vertical reference also. Hit escape a couple times. Okay, so here I got my shape that I want to create for twin tower. I just go to rectangle here, then start pop up from here until here like this. Hit escape a couple times, then go to fillet here, just like here, then start from take this one and just leave it for 400 millimeter, just like for every corners, like here 1 and 2 and here 1 and 2 and here of course last one as well. Hit escape a couple times. So now we got our shape for our building. I just like all my rectangle line like this one, then go to copy, go to clipboard in my panel here, just like this, then go to paste here, drop down, align to select level. Then here is our previous leveling that we have created on my elevation. Just click through here, then just hit OK. Going to my 3D view. Okay, so now as you can see, we got one at the bottom and one is one at top because here we create before. I just select my bottom one here like this. Hit Control key on my keyboard for select multiple selection. Here again. Then here is create form. I just drop down. As you can see here for create form got two types. One is solid form and another one is void form. but in the case we just use for solid form, just like here, like this one. Now our solid form is coming just a normal shape, so I need to rotate first. I just hit a tab key on my keyboard. Then I'm starting to rotate. Just go to rotate here, or you can press RO on your keyboard for shortcut key. I just click here, then start from here until here. Hit escape a couple times. Okay, so now we got our conceptual design for our building twin tower. So I need to go to create a new project template. After that, only I load in into my project. This one I want to close with some window first. Control on my keyboard for new template. Then here is for new template. I just drop down here. Then finding for metric for architecture. It's okay. Now we are with our architecture template. So I need to load first. Just go to 3D here. And here got load option. One is load into project and another one is load into project and close. But we haven't sell our project. I just load into project here like this. And then here Revit will ask got a warning mistake, but this one is no issue for our tutorial. We just click close. Then here we need to place one. I just place it like this one. Hit escape a couple times. Then go to my 3D view. It is our conceptual design. As you can see, we got only 2 levels, so we need to create another level first. As I remember, our level is our high building is 48 meters. So I'm going to elevation here. Then start draw another level, just like this one. CO on my keyboard for copies from here until here like this. Then select 3 of the guide like this. CO on my keyboard for copy. Start from level 1 until here. And you need to take here for multiple copy. Let's get a couple times. Okay, so we got 13 floor. We go back to our 3D here like this one. So it's time to create our curtain wall. I just select here like this. Okay, so I'm going to masking and side. Here is curtain system. Just click here. Then start from here, and from here, and the last one like this. Just hit here, create system, just like here like this one. In this case, I want to change my horizontal grid and vertical grid. I just go to property here, then go to edit type here, and here is my type property. Here is our vertical and horizontal. I just this one with distance. I just change to 1 meter, and here of course 1 meter as well for square, and for margin here I just add it for use the form from Revit template. Just use this one, circular margin 50 millimeter. I just hit OK. Okay, so now file is generating. Will be take some second. Okay, so now become I think around 75, nearly 100%. Hit escape a couple times. Okay, so as you can see now we create our curtain glass system, and with a margin, I turn on for consistent color first. So I want to create wall here. I'm going to wall first here like this one, then select here one, and here, and another one like this one. Hit escape a couple times. So now we got our curtain wall and got our wall. So I just want to change material first. Go to property panel here, edit type, go to edit structure, this one, go inside, just using for gypsum wall board, double click, then it's okay, apply, then okay. Okay, so now what we're missing is for our floor, just like the whole like this one. Let's check this one. Here is my floor, just like here one, and just like for level 1, then shift key on my keyboard until level 13, then just press here for take here for all floor, and there we go. So now we finish our twin tower that we're using for conceptual map design. Of course you can add column here as well and lay out your project by using that. I hope you got that point. Okay, it's pretty much for this tutorial. I hope you got that point and you can model by yourself and you can understand more about conceptual design. Again, don't forget to hit subscribe button below and turn on notification because I make video like this for every day and we'll bring more content about Revit. Okay, thank you for watching. I see you for the next episode with another conceptual design project. Thank you.